This is the RedMagic 10 Pro, and we've already done a review of this phone. If you have missed that review, it will be in the description or at the end of this video. But today, how quickly can we charge this phone from 0 to 100? Now, let me state it clearly. This phone has a 7050 milliamperes of battery. Now, let me put it in perspective. It has 2 times the size of the battery inside the iPhone 16 Pro. And it lasts for me, if I use it the same way using the iPhone, about 3 times. This gives me 5 hours plus screen on time. This one gives me about 15 hours plus screen on time for me to run it down. But the question is, how quickly can you charge this from 0 to 100? Now, let's jump in. I'm going to do the 5, 10, 15, 25, 30 minutes, and then let's see how it goes. So let's get started, and I'll be charging this with the 80 watts fast charging that came out of the box. Of course, I'm going to turn on the turbo charging to get the fastest of charging, and I'm also going to turn on the cooling fan. Well, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So if you want to know, the day temperature here is around 34 degrees centigrade, which is around the average we get. And we're going to go in from now and then 5 minutes. Let's see, around 5 minutes, what's it going to bring? Early part of 5 minutes. 18% in 5 minutes on the 7000 milliamperes. What about 10 minutes? 35, what? 35% of battery for a 7000 milliamperes battery in 10 minutes. That is crazy. Okay, let's see what it can do in 15 minutes. Can you guess? Come on now, come on now. 52, what? That is unbelievable. Unbelievable. After 15 minutes, you get 52% of battery that can carry you for a whole day. At 30, oh my God, at 30 minutes, we have 91. Then when is it going to get full? At 33? 95% at 33 minutes. Oh, come on, can you get full at 34? It's still 96. Come on now, 36 minutes should be full now. Oh, it's still at 99. Come on, come on. It's at 37 minutes. Can it get full now? Let's see. Yes, it does. 37 minutes from 0 to 100, or you can call it 1 from 100. Take that, man. Can your phone do that? Let me hear from you in the comment section. So that's it. This is the phone. This is charger out of the box that I used to charge this, and you don't even have to pay to get extra charger or anything. USB-C to USB-C. Quick charging, 80 watts, and it can do up to 100 watts. So I really think that people who are using phones like the iPhone are actually missing out on, first of all, bigger batteries, because bigger battery means you can do a lot more with your phone. And then also they are missing out on quick charge. I mean, 30 minutes will give me about 45-50% on this. By that time, this one is already full. And that ability to charge quickly, it's very, very, very interesting. So let me know in the comment section, how quickly does your phone charge? Does it come with charger out of the box? And do you think it is good that every OEM from now on do bigger batteries and quicker charging, which is very important for every smartphone users? And make sure you like, share, subscribe to get videos like this. Till I see you in the next one. It is peace to our world.